What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another little trading recap. Today we're going to be going over how we did $440 trading NQ this morning. Actually, not NQ, we traded SPY, but we're going to be starting off on the NQ chart. So the first thing I did was, like I do every single day, on the 15-minute, marking out previous day low from the very bottom wick up to this sort of kind of connecting wick right here. Also, the prior day high, which the prior day high zone up here on the 15-minute from this wick down to this sort of start of that body wick. So the first thing I'm doing every single day is prior day high, prior day low. Everybody sleeps on these confluences, but they are not to be slept on because they show a very good story of where price is going to go. Then on the hourly, I saw this nice little bounce here from a couple days ago that we also rejected yesterday. So that's a very, very clean support turned resistance right there. And then going into the actual day itself, right at open, we pretty much come and open down near this prior day low level. And if we go to lower time frame, we can see that we pretty much wick up off of it once, twice, three times, get a move up, pull back, wick up again, and then start to form this move. So at this point in time, I'm very confident that we are bullish and we're likely to make a move up to our next zone area, which is up here. And I actually decided to trade SPY instead because the pullbacks were a little bit cleaner. So basically, on the 2-minute, after we had already established that we are bullish by having that support above our zone and getting ready to move up to our next zone, I wait for pullbacks on the 9 and 13 EMA on the 2-minute. This is very important. So the first trade we took after this move up was this really nice pullback right here to the 9 EMA. And I enter right around here, and then we get this move up. Once we chop a little bit, I decide to exit. But our second trade also, we pull back to the 13 EMA right here, and then I enter on that 13 EMA, and we get this huge, massive rip up pretty much perfectly to our supply zone, to a T. Guys, zones are very, very useful. Don't let anybody fool you. But I did end up missing out on a lot of gains today by not holding through this whole move. I think I ended up selling on this candle or something. Usually it's in my system to just pretty much use these EMAs as a trailing stop loss to make sure that I'm catching bigger moves. And then once we finally break it like we did over here, this would be my normal exit point. But for some fucking reason, guys, I did not do that today. It was a huge mistake and it cost me a lot of money. But this pretty much goes to show, I actually did also scalp a little bit of puts here once we triple topped our demand zone. Made a nice $100 on that. But what I am trying to show you guys is that you don't need to learn some super complicated ICT strategy or some, SMC, ICT, type stuff. Literally all you have to do is just mark out prior day low, prior day high, and a couple key levels on the hourly and play those breaks and retests. Keep it simple, and yeah.